Papa got to go to work. Goodbye. See you later. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
See you later. Papa's got to go to work.
Bye.
Papa got to go to work. Papa got to go to work.
I'm back to work.
Very good. Papa got to go to work. Papa got to go to work. Papa got to go to work. Becky, Papa got to go to work. Yeah? You think it's funny? I don't think it's funny at all. Don't backtalk me. No, you stop backtalking me. I don't want to hear it. No, that's not true. That's not true at all. I don't want to hear it. All you do is backtalk me all day. That's all you do. You just run your mouth all day long. No, I don't want to hear that either. No, that's no deal. No deal. Okay, if you say so. All right, how much? Yeah. Well, how much is it going to cost? Well, how much is it going to cost me? I know that. But what are you going to tell me that for? I know. I like it a lot too. I don't want to hear no more crap out of you. That's it. All right, that's it. No more. You go to bed now. Good night. That's not right. No, that is definitely not right. Okay. All right, big mouth. Are you going to just talk all night? I don't want to hear this. Okay, we'll see you later.